In this quick video, you're going to learn how to hook up a rain barrel the right way, some ways to save money, how to hook up multiple rain barrels, and some things to consider for higher pressure. This is Tim. Organic Backyard Gardening is focused on helping you grow more food with our tips and tricks. If you like gardening and want to grow more food, subscribe to this channel. The rain barrel I have is RTS Home Accents, a 50-gallon rain barrel. I brought it on Amazon 2 years ago for $109. Right now, it's at about $130. If you want to save money, you can search Craigslist for rain barrels. There are many people selling food-grade storage containers that you can use as a rain barrel. I even found some whiskey barrels, which were pretty cool. If you go this route, you can easily buy a rain barrel spigot on Amazon. Now, in setting up your rain barrel, you want to elevate it. The higher, the better. A water level 2.3 feet above its exit point will produce about 1 psi. Typical household pressures range around 40 to 50 psi. Most moderate flow garden watering systems need at least 10 psi. 10 psi, your water level would need to be 23 feet above your garden. So if you're looking for more water pressure, the higher your rain barrel is from your garden, the better. If your rain barrel fills up too much, it should have an outlet to let out excess water. Now for the collection system that fits onto the downspout. This system has a rubber hose connected to the collection unit. This is the Oatly rainwater connection system I got on Amazon. I'll put a link down in the description below. To install this, you can simply just cut the gutter and slide the unit in. This unit is needed to prevent debris from clogging up your rain barrel. The way water travels down the gutter is from the edges. Most of the debris goes down to the center. This unit allows the water to be collected around the edges and funnel down into the rain barrel. Once down into the rain barrel, I let it rest on top of another screen. This screen is helpful to prevent bugs and mosquitoes from laying eggs in the rain barrel. If we continue looking at the downspout, you'll notice that the system is working properly because we can see all the debris from the roof at the bottom of the downspout, not in the rain barrel. One rainstorm will fill up this barrel no problem. You can connect multiple together. If you'd like to connect multiple rain barrels, there are kits on Amazon that you can get. They even come with the drill bits to make it easy. I'll put the link in the description below. Looking at the reviews, looks like it was pretty easy to set up. It doesn't matter if you link the rain barrels from the top or the bottom. Something I like to do is connect a quick adapter on my spigot and attach a hose. Since I have some garden beds that are slightly downhill from the rain barrel, this works well and allows me to water them without any issues. However, as the level in the rain barrel goes down, the pressure reduces slightly. This video was helpful and gave you some key pointers on what to think about when connecting a new rain barrel. Do you use a rain barrel now? Let me know if you have any tips and tricks in the comments below. If you need any help planning your garden, check out our PlanMyGarden tool. Enter your zip code, draw your garden layout, select what vegetables you want to grow and how much space you want to allocate to each. Check out, and then we'll send you an email with a PDF that has a visual schedule for each vegetable you selected, a getting started guide, a grow guide for each vegetable selected, and your garden layout updated with optimal plant placements for maximum yields. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next video.